Hi guys, doing a quick shock install on the Ram 2500. I watched a bunch of reviews, more or less just for which shocks I wanted to buy. I ended up just buying these same cheap Rancho shocks for now. I'm in a pinch getting ready for a vacation. So a lot of people have a hard time getting this shock tower back on, excuse me, after letting their shocks out. Well, instead, I took the bushings because they weren't installed. I put the washer and the bushing on the top, bolted the bottom all on with the strap on it, and then put the tower on and torqued everything so far. So now all I got to do is snip that. They don't spring up super fast, so I just got to snip it and guide it into the hole. Get out of there. There, I didn't have to struggle pulling it down or getting a wife or a friend or somebody to pull it down. It's all in spot. Now I just got to throw the washer on top and tighten it up. Thanks guys.